This is the MikroQuest App UX design that I made for in Figma. This is the App UX and all the overlay elements that I use for this assignment pretty much. This was the base concept for the app, and in this I'll be prototyping and wireframing the app. So this is the demo I opened up on Chrome. I'm gonna go to the home screen. Hold on. I'm gonna go to the home screen. You have your app name here. You can click on it or you can hold it to have additional options for the app. I'm going inside the app. The app is basically to stop you from overthinking or getting overwhelmed and getting tasks done. It's basically Duolingo for doing your tasks. Basically the Duolingo UI, but for doing a task. That is the base concept. Your nav bar is animated, as you can see here. We use overlay elements and swap overlays to create like a separate secondary UI scenario. When we do this, I'm going to go to the quest mode, which is the basic quest. Sprint mode is the AI quest. I'm gonna go for the basic quest. You enter your task and you enter your task description. This is what is going to display. It's a single quest with a single description. So you have a single quest. This is your description that I use copy paste on. You have a Pomodoro timer. You have your streaks option here. You click on complete task. You get like a cute animation along with your streak number. You can click on it to go to the streak page, or you can go to view all quests, or you can go back home. I'm going to go back home, and I'm also going to show you the sprint mode task. You type your task here, you add more info so the AI can create micro or multiple steps for you throughout the tasks, like Duolingo. You click on begin quest. It shows you all the tasks. This will be generated by AI pretty much. And this is the task I'm on currently, and these are the upcoming tasks. I'm not going to show everything all at once. I've hidden it behind a view all steps button because I don't want users to get overwhelmed seeing all the number of steps they have to do. So they only see one step at a time, and they have a Pomodoro timer to do that specific task. You click next. These are animated as well up top. You go through all of them. Works just fine. You use the XP here to recover if you lose a streak. I'm going back home here. I can continue a quest. These are animated. These are animated. The templates, you can use them to get quickly into a task pretty much. In this, I'm going to say, let's say start homework. It's going to start a homework assignment template that I already have in the app. You can also continue the quest, which is the whole point of having the continue where you left off feature pretty much, where you can enter and you can complete the quest. By the way, these are actual quests. You can actually finish them. You have like the full flow for this. The nav bar is navigate animated. These are all your pages. This is the quest. This is animated. You have the scroll function here. This is the sprint mode. This is also the active quest that you see here. So I'm continuing here. We have the exact same thing. I'm also showing you the completed quest motivation. All the pages have the streak, this thing, if you notice. On any of them, if you click it, it opens like the streak overlay. Shows you this is animated. Shows you I'm currently on Tuesday. I finished my quest today, so this is done. I'm at a 6-7 streak. You can use points to redeem. These will be added in the future. Without making the app filled with ads, it's easier to just add an XP option with the watch video ad if we need kind of scenario without making the app paid. You have your notifications, you have your settings. This is also accessible through the profile page, which has all the stats and everything. In this, let's go to notifications. You can close the notification. You can also use the notifications tab to enter a quest, which was the one you had on the home screen. I'm clicking this, it goes to the quest. You can finish the quest from here, and the quest is done. So I think this kind of explains almost everything the app has to offer. Scroll, adding additional padding so you don't have a floating navbar. We use the swap overlay function so we can have sub UIs within the plus button. And yeah, that's it. It's basically a tasks app that is supposed to help you get tasks done quick. So yeah, that is all. I think I've covered everything for this.